According to forecasts, by 2040, 50% of the jobs that we know today will be replaced by robots, while the world's population will jump up to around 9 billion. This means a lot less jobs for a lot more people. In addition, in the times and following the current COVID pandemic, employers will increasingly prefer robots as they don't get sick, never ask for a pay raise or a holiday. Company bosses don't have to pay them benefits, and they don't bring with themselves the risk of human error. So what does it take not to be replaced by a robot in the workplace? What skills do you need to succeed in the 21st century job market? Skills can be categorized as hard skills and soft skills. Hard skills are the old-fashioned skills we get over-flooded with in school, such as data or having to learn something by heart. Now, the bad news is that robots are learning way faster than we do, and since you can Google pretty much anything and everything within a matter of seconds, the value of traditional knowledge has changed or even went down. On the other hand, lucky for us, robots are still clumsy in the so-called soft skills. These are the skills that make us human. These soft skills include creativity. Robots are doing whatever they are told to do. Problem-solving skills. Again, robots take orders from us humans. Presentation skills. Wouldn't a robot look weird doing this presentation? Teamworking skills. Again, robots are basically fulfilling tasks or carrying out tasks which we tell them to do. Leadership skills. Fortunately, robots are not our bosses yet. Empathy. Robots do not feel the way we humans do. It's really important to be able to read your partners, your bosses, your colleagues, or your clients' feelings. Sense of humor. Really important, because if you can make your future business partner laugh, it's most likely that you will close a deal. Or even cultural sensitivity, because robots don't really know about different traditions and how to deal with people from all around the world. BHMS is an outstanding place to discover, practice, and boost your soft skills. The university's unique dual system of education, 50% classroom and the other 50% internship, will challenge you to step out of your comfort zone and be creative, no matter if it's a group project, a case study, or a problem you will have to overcome. The BHMS believes in learning by doing, and as such, even the theoretical part of the education is small group-based, where students get personalized attention from the business expert professors. Students get all the support they need to develop their own talents. Much of the theory is based on do-it-yourself presentations and case studies in order to give the students real-life and up-to-date knowledge. The internship is an outstanding opportunity for networking and/or working yourself into a company, which may even hire you later on. However, it will also boost your problem-solving, teamworking, and later on your leadership skills, all of which will be crucial so that you don't get replaced by a robot. Last but not least, empathy, cultural sensitivity, and a sense of humor are also crucial soft skills, which are playing an enormous role in the life of our BHMS campus. We have more than 80 nationalities at the BHMS, so you will get to know how to get on, work, and have fun with all sorts of different cultures. As for empathy, this boutique university is like a big family where everyone knows everyone. We care and we look out for each other, and we do this with a sense of humor, as a smile or a good joke is often worth more than 1,000 megabytes of raw and boring data by robots. As Charles Darwin said, in evolution, it's never the strongest species who survive, but always the ones who adapt the quickest. The age of robotization is already here, so soft skills will be the keys of your professional success in the 21st century. Since the practice-oriented education at the BHMS equips students with all the soft skills they will ever need in the job market, sorry but not sorry, Robbie, but you won't be able to take our students' jobs.